This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace and change the thumbsticks on your Xbox Series X or S controller. So if these are damaged, they are relatively easy to replace if you go on to Amazon.com and you can buy some extra thumbsticks. Otherwise, you can exchange them from a different controller. Now, the first thing you want to do is flip over your controller, and then you want to remove these side panels. So I already have one removed, but these are relatively easy to remove. Just go ahead and get a plastic piece like this, and then feed it into the controller side here. And then you want to create a little bit of separation right here. Now, if you're going to be using like a metal piece or something like that, you can do that, but it's probably going to cause a little bit of damage to your controller's shell. So you might want to be careful with that. And then just use a plastic piece. And then this should pop off, just like this. Boom, let's get rid of that. So I already have that one removed. Now you want to open up the battery compartment, and then there will be one little screw under here where it says Xbox wireless controller that we want to go ahead and pierce and then remove. So I removed all the screws, just make this video a little bit quicker, but pierce this, and then there will be a screw that fits right into there. So go ahead and take out that screw and you should be good to go. And then there's 4 other ones. So you have one here, one right here, here on the bottom of the controller, and then 2 on the opposite side. So you will have 5 total. And make sure you put these screws in a good spot, because if these roll into the carpet, they're going to be very hard to find. Now what we can do is simply rotate the controller around, and this front cover should come off now. So you just have to pop it off like that. Then you can go to your thumbstick, and then you can pop this off as well. So maybe you have like a PlayStation thumbstick or something like that you want to actually put onto your controller. Well, you could do that. These are going to be similar actuators here, so you can just exchange them and try that out. So if you bought something from Amazon, just remove these, then place them on just like this, and you should be good to go. Now, you don't even have to take off the back cover at all, but this back cover will just lift up and you can take it off. And if you're going to take off the back cover, watch out for these motors. These may flip off on you, and do not get rid of these cables. Do not pull them up, because these are relatively hard to get back in. It's very easy to replace your thumbstick. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.